Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. One of the first things you should do when you get an old radio like this Kenwood TS570 is verify power output on all of the bands that it's capable of. I've got the Kenwood TS570 plugged into the MFJ 849 watt meter. We're gonna check it out. Let's get over to the bench. We're gonna start on 1.8 megahertz. I have a Morse code key, the transmitter, the meter, and a dummy load. So I'm transmitting into a dummy load for all of this testing. The tuner is just sitting here, as is the signal link, and neither of them are cabled in or at play at the moment. The tuner is actually turned on, turned off, so you know that it's off. Okay, perfect. So 1.8 megahertz on CW, how much power? So key down, 105.58, fantastic. Next band, we hit the up button right here, and we go to 3.5 megahertz. And we have to put it into the right mode, box, CW, 104.5. Next band, 7 megahertz, CW mode, Vox, 104.5. Next band, 10.1 megahertz. We can turn preamp off, although it's not really necessary. 102.5. 14 megahertz. 103.91. 18.1 megahertz. 102.4. 21 megahertz. 102.58. 24.9 megahertz. 102.33. 28 megahertz. 102.16. 29 megahertz. 102.16. And we've rounded the clock to 1.8 megahertz. There you go, all bands 1.8 megahertz through 30 megahertz, which is what this radio can do. It put out greater than 100 watts. No tired finals here. Doesn't look like I need to do many repairs. However, I did see that the battery needs to be replaced. So we'll do that in an upcoming video. Be sure you're subscribed for that. In the meantime, there's a video right here I think you will enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll be over there waiting for you.